Okay, students, our today's topic is rhyming words. Do you know about the meaning of rhyming words? The meaning of rhyming words is the words that have same ending sounds. The words that have same ending sounds. Or you can say same sound words. But you can say same sound words. Say with me, rhyming words mean same sound words. Rhyming words mean सेम साउंड वर्ड्स. जैसे आप उर्दू में पढ़ते हैं ना, हम आवाज़ अल्फाज क्या होते हैं? जैसे आता, जाता, खाता, सोता. देखिए इन सब के आखिर में त आया है. त आया है ना, त आया है ना, तो ये हम आवाज़ अल्फाज हुए. इसी तरह ये इंग्लिश में हम इन अल्फाज को राइमिंग वर्ड्स बोलते हैं. Our today's topic is rhyming words at, and the meaning of rhyming words is same sound words. Okay students, let's start our today's lesson. Okay ji, now tell me which letter is this? Which letter is this? A. And what is the sound of A? A. A. Say with me. A. 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 Ants on my arms. A. A. Ants on my arms. A. A. Ants on my arms. They are causing me alarm. A. A. So the sound of A is A. Say with me. The sound of A is A. Okay students, now tell me which letter is this? Which letter is this? T. Which letter is this? T. And the sound of T is T. 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 When I see the tennis game, t t t t t t. When I see the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. T t t. The sound of T is T. Okay, ji. If we will join these two letters, A, T. If we will join these two letters, they will produce a new sound, and the new sound is at. At. And the new sound is at. At. बेटा देखें, जब हम लोग इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे, हम इन दोनों को ज्वाइन करेंगे आपस में, तो तब इनकी साउंड एक न्यू साउंड हो जाएगी. ए की साउंड तो ए होती है ना, और टी की साउंड ठ होती है. बट इफ़ वी join these two letters, they will produce a new sound, and the new sound is at. 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 Say with me, at. At. Okay students, here are some letters, and we will choose different letters to make new words. First of all, you can choose the letter B. Letter B. What is the sound of B? Letter B. What is the sound of B? The sound of B is B. The sound of B is B. Say with me, B. 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 The sound of B is B. And if we add this word, these letters at, join with B, so this is a new word. Oh, we are making new word bat. B at bat. B at bat. Say with me, bat. Now tell me, what is this? What is this? This is bat. What is this? This is bat. This is bat. B at bat. B at bat. B at bat. Okay, students, let's choose the another word. Okay, what is this? This is C. 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 And what is the sound of C? What is the sound of C? The sound of C is K. K. The sound of C is K. 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 Say with me. K. K at K at cat. K at cat. K at cat. Oh, what is this? What is this? This is cat. This is cat. This is try cat. Meow. 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 This is cat. K at cat. This is cat. K at cat. K at cat. Okay, students, let's choose another letter. Which letter you can choose? We can choose this one. Which letter is this? Yes, tell me, which letter is this? This is F. This is F. This is F. F. This is F. This is F. And what is the sound of F? Do you know the sound of F? The sound of F is 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 at fat at fat at fat. Fat mean मोटा. जो सही हेल्दी बंदा होता है ना, मोटा जो होता है उसे हम फैट बोलते हैं. फैट. लाइक दिस इज अ फैट कैट. ये एक मोटी बिल्ली है. दिस इज अ फैट कैट. दिस इज अ फैट कैट. Okay ji, let's choose another letter. Which letter we can choose now? We can choose this one. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? H. Which letter is this? H. You can write H. Students, you have to write these letters on your notebooks. Hurry up. You can write these all letters, note down these all words on your notebooks. Okay? H. What is the sound of H? H. 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 At. H. At. Hat. H. At. Hat. Hat mean टोपी. कैप जो होती है ना, कैप, उसी को हैट भी बोलते हैं. ओके ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स चूज another letter. Which letter we choose now? We choose this one. We choose this one. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? Which letter is this? M. M. And what is the sound of M? What is the sound of M? At mat. At mat. At mat. At mat. अब मैट का क्या मीनिंग होता है? मैट कहते हैं चटाई को, जो आप लोग अपने घर में, आप घरों में सबने देखी होगी ना मैट. ओके. एट मैट. एट मैट. नोट डाउन दिस वर्ड विथ मी. नोट करें ये वर्ड्स और साथ साथ बोलें भी. से विथ मी. एट मैट. एट मैट. Okay ji, let's choose another letter. Which letter we choose now? I think we choose this one. This one. Which letter is this? R. 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 And what is the sound of R? R. What is the sound of R? The sound of R is R. And if we join at with it, जब हम इस आर के साथ एट ज्वाइन करेंगे, सो दिस इज अ न्यू वर्ड. एट रैट. एट रैट. एट रैट. डू यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ रैट? रैट क्या चीज़ होती है? यस, चूहा. चूहे को रैट बोलते हैं. चूहे को माउस भी बोलते हैं और रैट भी बोलते हैं. Rat mean चूहा. Rat mean चूहा. At rat. At rat. At rat. Okay students, let's choose another letter to make new word. Okay, which letter we choose now? Okay. Now we can choose this one. We can choose this one letter. What is this? This is S. This is S. We can write S over here. S. S. And what is the sound of S? What is the sound of S? At, sat. At, sat. At, sat. Say with me. At, sat. And write this word in your notebooks. Okay students, now you have to write these all words in your rough notebooks or rough registers. Then show me your work. Okay, we can okay, now we will repeat these all words. First of all, tell me, which word is this? Which word is this? B at bat. B at bat. Now what is the another word? Yes, k at cat. K at cat. K at cat. Now tell me, which word is this? Which word is this? F at fat. F at fat. F at fat. Say with me. F at fat. Okay ji, let's check the next word. Okay, this is h. H at hat. H at hat. H at hat. Okay ji, let's check what's next. At mat. At mat. Okay ji, let's check another word. Okay, at rat. At rat. At rat. Okay ji, the last word is, okay students, the last word is at sat. At sat. At sat. At sat. Now students, I hope you all are understand these all letters. These are at words. These are rhyming words. At. These are rhyming words. At. Now you can memorize these all words, and also you have to write these words in your notebooks. You have to practice these words. आपको ये वर्ड सारे लिखने भी आने चाहिए, इनको प्रोनाउंस भी करना आना चाहिए. आपने ये वर्ड्स बार बार रिपीट करने हैं, इनको प्रोनाउंस करना है, और आपने न्यू वर्ड्स खुद से बनाने हैं. ओके, आई होप यू ऑल आर अंडरस्टैंड दीज ऑल लेटर्स. Okay students, now I have an activity for you. Now you have to tell me the rhyming words at. अब सबने मुझे एक एक वर्ड बताना है, और वो वर्ड मैं यहाँ पर लिखूंगी. ओके, now you all have tell me one by one. I will unmute your mics and you have to tell me one word. Okay, like k at cat. Now you all have tell me just one word, and I will write that word on it. Okay. Okay students, are you ready? Okay, now I am going to unmute your mics. और जब मैं आप लोगों के माइक्स अनम्यूट करूँगी तो आपने शोर नहीं करना, बिल्कुल आपने डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स को. मैं वन बाय वन जिस स्टूडेंट का नेम कॉल करूँगी सिर्फ वही मुझे आंसर करेंगे. और वही मुझे वर्ड बताएंगे और उनका वर्ड, बताया हुआ वर्ड मैं यहाँ बोर्ड पर लिखूँगी। डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना किसी ने भी और एक दूसरे के साथ बातें भी नहीं करनी। ओके।